In this video, I'm going to show you guys a strategy that can give you up to an 85% win rate when you're trading crypto or Forex using two simple indicators. So let's go ahead and start this video for this strategy. You're going to apply these two indicators on your charts, SharkAlgo Premium and Shark Oscillator version 3. The way you want to add these is very simple. You want to go to Indicators and then you want to click on Invite Only Scripts, and then you will select SharkAlgo and Oscillator version 3. If you guys don't have these indicators here and you don't have invite-only scripts, don't worry, I will show you at the end of the video exactly how you can get them there. So, for the settings for the indicators, it goes as followed. We're going to have two oscillators running at the same time. For the first one, make sure it's under confirmation mode. And for the second one, we want to make sure that it's under the Elite TVR function, then press, okay? All the other settings do not matter. Next, for a SharkAlgo Premium indicator, you want to go into Settings. We want to make sure that the dashboard's turned on, the signals are turned on, as well as the trend cloud is turned on as well, right over here. This is very important. And now we can get into the actual strategy and what we want to look for the buy and sell entries. So the first thing you want to look for this strategy to work is you want to look at the Shark Oscillator down here, and you want to look at this line. What you want to do is you want to identify what color the line is. Is the line green or is it yellow or red? If it's yellow or red, then what you want to do is you want to look at the chart and then you want to establish where the areas of consolidation is. So for example, we see right now we have low volatility in the market because this is what the indicator is showing us. So now we want to understand where the range is. And we can see very clearly that right now the range looks like this, right? We are very stagnant. And it's not heading up or heading down. Chart price is going sideways. So this is an area of consolidation. Next, what we want to do is we want to wait for a signal to happen. And we want to see the price break above or below this area of consolidation that we just drew on the chart. So now we got a signal inside of this box, but we want to see the price break this box over here. So when I enter a short position, your stop loss, you want to be behind the last swing high or above the box itself, okay? Where the range is. And then you want to target a 1-to-1 ratio or a 1.5 ratio. It's really up to you, something like this, for example. And as you can see, the price went down, and this was a breakout strategy that ended up hitting our take profit extremely fast. Let me show you a few more examples so you understand exactly how this strategy works. Okay, so here's another example of a trade we could have taken. The first thing, again, we want to look at is the Shark Oscillator down here at the bottom. We want to see if the market is trending or ranging. As we can see, the line is red. So we know that right now the price is ranging on our market. So next thing we want to do is we want to draw up a box to visualize the consolidation area on our charts. We can see very clearly that this is the area of consolidation over here. Next, we wait for a sell signal. Why sell signal? Because we have a red trend cloud. A red confirmation here at the bottom, and the 4-hour and daily time frame are also bearish. So we want to wait for a sell signal. Eventually we will get a sell signal right here, and we see that the price breaks below this box. This is where we want to enter the trade. We want to take a short position right over here, adding a stop loss above the box or above the swing high, whatever you choose. Next, we want to target a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, at least or higher. And then we want to take that trade and run with it, and we can see that the price ends up going down and breaking our take profit because we entered a state of volatility. And now I'm going to show you guys one last example of this strategy, so you guys understand it perfectly. Okay, so here's another example. So again, the first thing we want to do is take a look at the Shark Oscillator down here at the bottom. We see that the line is red. Next, we want to draw up our area of consolidation. We can see that this area here is the area of consolidation that we have failed to break this area multiple times. Next, we want to wait for a sell signal because we have a red trend cloud and red on the dashboard. We got our sell signal. As soon as the candle closes below this consolidation area and our stop loss, we want above the swing high or above the box that we drew. And we want to target a 1.5 risk to reward ratio or higher. It's up to you. Next, we see that the confirmation down here is starting to turn red, meaning that we're in a bearish market. And we take this trade and we can see very clearly that it hits our take profit perfectly with almost no drawdown correctly. Now I will show you exactly how you can get the indicators if you don't have access to them already. So to get access to this indicators called SharkAlgo and Shark Oscillator, go to the SharkAlgo.com website and simply sign up for access to the indicators. We also have a Discord community that you can join. Right up here by clicking this Join Discord, where you can be part of our growing community, where we share signals every single day, like these signals, for example, that give you trade ideas. So you can trade with us as well while you're learning to trade yourself. And also an area where you can make friends, share trading ideas, and just learn how to trade with free education. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more future content.